वेस्ट कित कलेक्ट कोताय
वेटो कलेक्ट कोताय
आनी ड्राय
ड्राय फाल कोतले हाल ड्राय आनी वेट कोतले
आनी या तुमी वेट हुई धाडटले
हिंगा संवसाराक धाडटले
प्लांटा धाडटले
प्लांटाचे धाडटले.
It is seen now very clearly that there is nothing happening in the plant. It is very a serious matter. The entire dump, as one of the leader also has said, that everything is going to the dump. And at this rate, I don't know how MMC will handle this matter in the entire range.
आता जेन्ना शेड क्लीन जाल्ले आहा, we were expecting that the waste would go inside, the wet waste, so that segregated forमान हाड म्हणलें. पण जे ट्रक्स आतां वेस्ट घेवन येता ते पळयलें जाल्यार सेग्रिगेट 100% सेग्रिगेशन जाल्ले वेट वेस्ट ना ते आनी त्या कारणां लागून आतां परतून हे डंपार येता.
Importantly, it is a totally mixed garbage containing of medical waste, glass, batteries, thermocol, polystyrene, vegetable waste, dead animals, everything that is there in this garbage which is coming. And they are creating a fresh hazard to the people of Purturi.
I have held the municipality, I have held the CO. They are crossing all boundaries. HPCC I had asked to seal the dump. Nothing is happening. I have called for another meeting. Nothing is happening. Shows how serious they are. And you can't be egoistic. I have told before also, you can't be egoistic. You can't say I am going to do it and you look after yourself and look after. Municipality is the governing body. You are the deputy CM. Please take responsibility and do it. Nothing is going to the plant. Everything is going here. We can do anything. Either we have to agitate or we have to go to court. There are two options. We will take a meeting and decide what to do. Solving the problem is another issue, but making statements, I have cleared everything. That adds petrol to your wounds.